6 Tips to Lose Weight Naturally. While there are a number of diets, supplements, and meal replacement programs claiming to help you lose weight quickly, the majority of them lack scientific backing. There are, however, several scientifically validated weight loss methods. So, let's get started with 6 of these weight loss strategies. Experiment with intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a form of eating that includes taking daily short-term fasts and eating smaller meals during the day. Short-term intermittent fasting, which can last up to 24 weeks, has been shown in some studies to help overweight people lose weight. A study of this approach showed that participants consumed less calories and lost weight when they ate for a limited time. Tracking your diet and exercise. If anyone wishes to lose weight, they should keep track of what they eat and drink on a daily basis. The most efficient way to do this is to keep track of what they eat in a diary or an online food tracker. Tracking physical activity and weight loss progress on the go can also be a useful tool for weight management. A pedometer, for example, may be an effective weight loss method. Since most people have busy lives, they sometimes eat on the go, in the car, at their tables, or while watching television. As a result, many people are oblivious to the food they consume. It is possible to lose weight by sitting down to eat, preferably at a table. Pay attention to the food and have fun with it. Switch off the television, laptop, or phone. Take your time chewing and savoring your meal. This technique aids weight loss by providing enough time for a person's brain to understand the signs that they are complete, preventing overeating. Choosing foods that are high in nutrients and can keep you full for hours rather than minutes. Starting the day with a protein-rich breakfast. Protein can help people feel full by regulating appetite hormones. This is mostly due to a decline in ghrelin, the appetite hormone, and an increase in satiety hormones. Eating a high-protein breakfast can have a long-lasting hormonal impact. Eggs, oats, nut and seed butters, quinoa porridge, sardines, and chia seed pudding are all good high-protein breakfast options. Reducing sugar and processed carbohydrate intake. Obesity has been linked to an increase in the amount of added sugars consumed. Refined carbohydrates are foods that have been extensively refined and stripped of fiber and other nutrients. People can replace refined and sugary foods with healthier alternatives wherever possible. Getting a good night's sleep. Having less than 5 to 6 hours of sleep a night has been linked to an increased risk of obesity in numerous studies. Inadequate or poor quality sleep delays metabolism, the mechanism by which the body turns calories into energy. When your metabolism slows down, your body can store excess energy as fat. Furthermore, lack of sleep can lead to an increase in the development of insulin and cortisol, both of which promote fat accumulation. The appetite-controlling hormones leptin and ghrelin are also affected by how much sleep someone gets. That's all for today. Like, comment and subscribe to our channel for daily health and lifestyle tips.